7 days to relieve anxiety, day 6. Return to inner calm and balance. Find a comfortable position and gently allow your body to settle. Close your eyes softly and begin to notice your natural breath. There's nothing to change, just observe the rhythm of breathing. Feel the air entering through your nose, cool and refreshing. And feel the warmth as you slowly breathe out. Allow your shoulders to drop, releasing any tightness you hold. Let your jaw unclench and your face soften. Bring your awareness gently down into your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. With every inhale, invite calm into your body. With every exhale, release tension and worry. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation flowing through you. From the top of your head down to your toes. Allow your mind to slow down with each breath you take. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Let this moment be enough just as it is. If thoughts appear, simply notice them without judgment. And gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel yourself becoming more centered and grounded. With each passing moment, your body softens even more. Your heartbeat becomes steady and calm. Your breath becomes smooth and effortless. Imagine a peaceful light glowing gently within your chest. This light represents your inner calm and balance. With every inhale, this light grows brighter. With every exhale, it spreads throughout your body. Feel this calm energy filling your entire being. Washing away stress and restoring balance. You are safe in this moment. You are grounded and supported. Allow yourself to rest in this calm awareness. Let go of the need to control anything right now. Simply be here, breathing slowly and deeply. Notice the stillness that begins to surround you. In the quiet space within your mind, stillness is always available to you. You can return to it anytime you need. Take a moment to appreciate this feeling of calm. Let it anchor you in balance and peace. When you're ready, gently deepen your breath. Begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when it feels right, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and balance with you. Return to this practice whenever you need peace. You are learning to find calm within yourself. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.